celebrate a light of hope. A new generation are today celebrating with 130 medical students. Today, among the war that's happening here in Gaza City and all the suffering, we are happy to make this celebration with them. Today, they wear their coat as a symbol of hope, because in Gaza, medicine is not just a profession, it's an act of resilience, a promise to heal, a duty to protect life. May their hand become the healing hands of tomorrow. May their hearts remain strong, and may their message reach the world. Even in the darkest times, Gaza give life. Al Khidma Foundation Pakistan, with a partnership with Al Khidma Europe, participate in supporting these medical students in their education. Thanks a lot for our support here in Gaza City.
مؤسسة الخدمات لأجوش يوكي وعلى رأسها الدكتور حفيظ الرحمن والدكتور حامد فاروق.
نعلن لكم عن المفاجأة الكبرى، وهي مكافأة نقدية لجميع الطلبة الخريجين الفوج الرابع عشر من الطلبة كلية الطب.
باسم خريجين دفعة 2025، شكرا لخدمة فاونديشن باكستان وخدمة يوروب.